Miss Joanne from the Berkeley branch, and I'm going to make Funfetti Dip mix today. So the ingredients, it's very simple. Just some Funfetti cake mix, yogurt, Cool Whip, and sprinkles. So to start, take a bowl and we empty out our box of mix. Then we add in 1 cup of yogurt. I'm using a low-fat vanilla yogurt. You could use Greek yogurt. You could use a flavored yogurt if you wanted to. You know, if you wanted to do strawberry yogurt or raspberry, that might be nice. That in there. And then we put in the Cool Whip, whole container of it. And then we just mix it up gently. You don't want to fling the batter everywhere. Okay, I have everything mixed together. I'm going to add a little bit more sprinkles to make it extra colorful. When you're mixing, make sure you mix all the way down to the bottom so that you don't have any dry cake mix left. And that's pretty much it. You can stick this in the fridge for about a half hour to let the flavors all come together. And then when you're ready to serve it, top with a few more sprinkles. And you can serve it with, I have animal crackers today. You could use graham crackers, Nilla wafers, apple slices, whatever you think is going to go well with this. You could also, if you don't have Funfetti mix, or if that's not your favorite flavor, you could use any cake flavor you want, devil's food maybe, whatever is your favorite type of cake. And this dip is delicious. Everyone's going to love it.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.